The Social Partnership and Public Procurement Act contains Wales's first piece of primary legislation on public procurement. The new duties will require public bodies to improve the economic, social, environmental and cultural well-being of their areas by carrying out public procurement in a socially responsible way. The actions carried out should contribute to achieving the well-being goals listed in the Well-being of Future Generations Act. The overarching duties on public bodies include setting objectives, publishing a procurement strategy, and publishing annual reports. The Act also includes 2 contract management duties, strengthening the link between what has been agreed and what's actually being delivered. On major construction projects, public bodies must use contract clauses which seek improvements in these 6 categories: prompt payments, employment opportunities, employment compliance, appropriate training, subcontracting opportunities, and the environment. The second set of contract management duties apply to outsourcing services contracts. Public bodies must have regard to an updated code of practice and model contract clauses that will protect workers' conditions. The Act and accompanying guidance provides us with an opportunity to streamline processes and work together more effectively. Publishing annual reports, maintaining a contracts register, and investigatory powers will help drive accountability and improve outcomes for Wales.